we are on Lady Musgrave Avenue, taking a look at the Cambridge. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're on Lady Musgrave Avenue, or Musgrave Avenue correction. Where this development, the Cambridge, has been under construction for years. It's moving a bit slow as well, to be honest. A lot has started after it and has finished, but that's what we're going to take a look at today. They're being developed by Guardian Group. As usual guys, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember subscribing is completely free as well, so please subscribe. So this is a billboard showing what it should look like when it's finished. Still not yet finished. I think they're close to the finish now though. Not sure if it's all sold out. Not sure if everything is sold out already, but it has taken some time. Alright, so without a doubt, we're gonna set up the drone as usual, so we get some aerial views. Musgrave Avenue, which we're on right now, it was recently paved, so it's really pretty right now, paved and marked. A lot of times, you know, for these minor roads, when they're paved, I don't see their marks. I'm a bit surprised to see this have, you know, very good marking. It's just a pity that, you know, all the roads in our communities can't be like this. I know some people may say it's because it's New Kingston, but I don't usually see this where these minor roads are completely paved, not patched, and then marked. What do you guys think though? So that's the Cambridge. And again, I'm gonna set up the drone so we get some aerial shots. Alright, so we're right off Trafalgar Road, close to the British Embassy as well. There's a lot of apartments in this community, you know, Kingston 5, New Kingston, Golden Triangle. Via at Raymore is very close by as well. So I'll do an update on Via at Raymore in another video. It's now finished. They recently had a grand opening. AC Hotel is very close by as well. You know, one of the posh hotels right now booming in Kingston. They took some of the crowd, or probably much of the crowd, from Pegasus. Alright guys, so it's the Cambridge. It's moving slow in my view. Not sure what you guys think. But again, you guys will see a better look at the design when we set up the drone. I like the colors though. I like the blue mixed in with, I think that's what, cream. But to me the design is simple, the design is basic. A lot of apartments have started after this one with much better designs. But again, share what you think in the comments. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone, and again, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you. We're back at it again, growing the channel, back at it again with the videos. So that shows some of your support. And we're in New Kingston. Alright, so let's take some aerial view of the Cambridge.